Here's a video of this ruined Craftmade builder wire ceiling fan. I know I showed you this in the 52, the brush 52-inch Hudson Bay video, but you know, I'm gonna give more information about it. As you can see, it looks dusty, and as I said, it looks rusty right here. Cause I know it hasn't been like cleaned in like almost a decade. Cause I know we first moved into this, house in 2003, and since that time we never got to clean it. Cause the ceiling was too high, and there was no way to clean it. And anyways, as you can see right here, and it says made in Taiwan. Well, I thought the butter was made in China, but this one says it's made in Taiwan. Cause the division of the Craftmade decorators, which looks like the butter awards, the decorators are different. Correct me if I said it wrong. I said decorators. Anyways, I try to say it right. What's different about the decorators is that the builder white has the W shape like this thing, but the decorators they have the crescent moon shape, so that's why. Blades are also made in Taiwan, and yes, it says Craftmade, dusty. Right here it says, I don't know if you can say it, but I can. It says 0302. I don't know about you, but I bet this was made in 2002, 2003. I don't know, but if anyone knows this, please let me know. I would be happy for this. And here's the light kit. Light kit still pretty works. The only thing that's like messed up is the fan motor. The light kit still works, but if a light kit goes out, like happened base or the Craftmade build or that's in my parents' room, then this would be like put it with the builder or in my parents' room. Here's the switch for the light. Here's the switch for the reverse forward. Here's the look at the dusty part of the motor. Yes, it looks dirty, but dusty. There's the wires. Rusty also right there too. And yes, that's a video of this ruined Craftmade builder wired motor. The light kit still works, but the motor messed up on May. So that's it for this video. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.